Hello viewers, do you think your WhatsApp DP is safe or screenshot of your DP cannot be taken? So let's check it on mobile and connect the same with PC. Now let's open WhatsApp and click on this picture or DP and let me go for a screenshot, and when I take screenshot, so the message appear, this app does not allow screenshot. Now let's connect the same with the PC, so either we are safe over there or it has some weaknesses. So let me connect the same WhatsApp with the computer system, and now let's click the DP and it's open. Now you can view profile or click on the profile, and simply if you right click, so these options are in front of you which indicate limitation in privacy. Any XYZ app or in case or in Windows 11, if you click shift button plus window button plus S, so capture area or full page area is also become visible. So in case one can simply crop any XYZ and the same, and once again these option makes a question mark. So through this way you can see either your WhatsApp DP is safe or it's weak. So I strongly suggest to keep a simple DP just for identification purpose. Thanks for watching.